Hey guys, it's your girl London, and I am gonna be going in trying a new product today. This is for dark circles, so if you're somebody that suffer from dark circles or dark marks, girl, this is worth the hype. I got it from TJ Maxx, and you have the green side and you also have the peach side, okay? So I've already gone in with my Revlon primer, and then I went in with my Juvia's Place foundation. So now I'm going to show you guys how this color corrector works. So you want to use the peach side for dark circles, and then you want to use the green shade to tone down any type of redness that you may have in your face. So I'm going to go in with the peach because that's what I've been using lately. So I'll show you guys how it works out. Like I said, I did get this from TJ Maxx. You can see the peach. And this was $3.99. I've been using it for a week now. Love it. Goes on very smooth. Like, it's not much you have to do. Sometimes I do have dark circles just because I be trying to live a vamp life and I don't know why. I really don't know why. What's going on? So yeah, I need that for sometimes those occasional dark circles that I get. And like I said, I've been using it for a week now. Easy to apply, not sticky, very light. And you can definitely see the difference, so love it. I actually used this the last time in my car with just that and some concealer, and baby, I was giving just the no makeup look. Like, it was just giving. It was giving fresh skin. Okay, so we have it blended on. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna finish my foundation and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks, okay? Okay guys, I am back and this is the final look. So I'm about to give you guys my final review on the product that I tried today, which was the Beauty Concepts. This was the peach and the green. Peach was for dark circles, greens for any redness that you may have. I feel like it worked very good underneath my eyes. Definitely got rid of like any type of dark marks or dark circles that you may have. And yeah, I'm gonna have to give this product an 8 out of 10. Like I said, I do want to try the one from LA Pro, which is the one that a lot of people use, but I went to 2 beauty supply stores and they did not have it in stock. So I'm still on the waiting list for that. But in the meantime, in between time, we're going to be using this. So like I said, the proof is in the pudding, y'all. Just look at the face. Look at what the face is giving. Like, it's not giving no type of dark marks, no circles, no none of that. It's just giving a no makeup look. It's giving she, you know, did something light, wasn't trying to do too much, and then we achieved it. That's what it's giving. I did put, you seen the under eye, I did put a little dark liner underneath there, just to kind of make my eyes pop a little bit. But as far as like any puffiness or any type of dark circles, don't have it. So definitely giving that product an 8 out of 10. Definitely something I'll be using more when I go to work, because sometimes I be like vamp life. So you gotta do what you gotta do to cover up, you know, the little bags under your eyes or a little dark, you know, dark circles. Even if you have some redness, like I said, give this a try. This was only $3.99. So, I mean, can you really beat the price? I'm gonna wait. No, you can't. If you guys have any recommendations on something that works for any type of dark circles or bags, things like that, please comment down below, because me and all the other people would like to know what's working for you. Don't be gatekeeping on us, okay? Because I need it. I want to try it, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it turns out. If it works for me, I will let y'all know, okay? Like always, don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.